Welcome to our online English class. In your previous class, you heard an interesting story. In that story, 5 siblings, they went to live with their grandmother. Do you remember them? I'm sure you would remember them. Now, I need you all to tell them. Do you know their names? Yes, you know them, right? So, can you all tell along with me? They are A, E, I, O and U. Wow, great. I'm impressed. You all remember them, right? Shall we tell it once again? Who are they? The siblings who went to live with their grandmother. Come on, tell me, who are they? I want you all to tell together. Come on. A, E, I, O and U. Wow. Now, I teach you different sounds of these letters. I know you are all very eager to know about them, isn't it? Okay children, so be ready. Listen carefully. Look at me. I'm going to teach you the sounds, different sounds of these 5 vowels. Are you all ready to listen to me? Come on. In today's class, we are going to see the sounds of first 2 letters, that is A and E. A should be pronounced as A. E should be pronounced as A. There's only a slight difference. Just look at my mouth, you will see the difference. When you pronounce for A, it should be pronounced as the jaw should come down. A, A, A. But for E, your mouth should be wide open. A, A. Now shall we see the examples? Come on. Jaw down, remember that? A, in, t, and. A, in, and. B, a, t, bat. A, in, and. A, s, as. K, a, t, cat. I hope you understood. Now let's repeat the words alone. Ant, am, bat, and, as, cat. Very good. You all pronounced it right. Now let's see the words related to letter E. Now let's see how to pronounce E. Do you remember how to pronounce this E? E. Correct. E. Now let's see the words. Egg. Bed. Pen. Hen. Now shall we repeat the words along? Egg, bed, pen, hen. Very good. Once again. Egg, bed, pen, hen. This is all for today, my dear children. We have learned the sound of 2 vowels, that is A and E. I hope you all remember this. Please repeat this and learn properly and do the exercises given in your book. By the way, what are the vowels? Do you remember the song what your man taught you? Yes, right? Shall we sing it once again? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. And these are the vowels. Okay children, with this note, I sign off this class. I need your